Oil prices are surging at the moment and investors are looking to invest into oil companies. Here's the reasons why. If you go back to 2009 to 2019, there was a 17% rise in the demand for oil. So year on year, more and more oil demanded. And then of course, 2019, we saw the COVID crisis come in 2020. Demand dropped, but we're now at 25% less supply than we were at 2019. So as demand picks up, there's not sufficient supply. We're at $75 a barrel. They're saying 100. Goldman Sachs are saying it's going right the way up. Certainly could hit 100. Citibank the same. The commentators are looking at where this goes. We've got a 6-month crisis where certainly there's going to be excess demand and a shortage. Oil companies can't move quickly enough. In fact, the CEO of Shell said it's going to hit $100 a barrel. So if you're investing, you can look at oil companies. Always talk to a financial advisor. deVere indeed has got products that we look at that can give the client the opportunity to expose some money to the oil companies that potentially could be making some good profits. Of course, that means more inflation. And investing in oil, again, is a hedge against inflation. What do I mean? Well, if you think that this demand is going to cause inflation, then oil prices will go up. The dollar will depreciate. You've seen in the last 2 years that the US government has added enormous amount of dollars to the global economy. Of course, that was to prop up the US economy. But that can also see the dollar depreciate. So if you think that oil is denominated in US dollars, if you've got a US dollar depreciating, the value of the oil in US dollar terms goes up. As investors, we always look for opportunities. We think right now the surge in oil prices is an opportunity. But always seek financial advice. Always talk to a financial advisor before investing. Know your attitude towards risk and know what's happening in the global markets. If you want to know what's happening, hit subscribe. I put out information on a daily basis on what's happening and what it takes to be successful in life. Hit that subscribe, hit like, share the video, give me an opinion. Do you think that oil is going to reach $100 a barrel?